Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Social Science Academy. This video is the second part of chapter number 2 of History of Class 6, that is from hunting gathering to growing food. In the first video, as we have seen that the climate it has changed, and due to the climatic changes the new plants has grown on the earth surface and the number of animals also it has increased, and due to that the people became farmers and the herders. So due to these climatic changes the people they have started to use these plants and animals as their food. प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स की नंबर्स बढ़ने से लोगों ने उनको एज अ फूड की तरह यूज करना शुरू किया. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड ड्यू टू दिस? नाउ द प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स हैज इंक्रीज्ड. So the men and women they have observed the several things which are related to the plants. Now which are the several things? These are related to the plants. These how seeds broken off the stack, which plants are edible that were found, then how the sprouts from them, how the new plants sprouted from them, then the season of ripened plants, that all the things they have observed, and they started to protect them from birds and the animals so that they could grow and the seed could ripen. ओके तो ये सब चीज़ें उन्होंने सीख ली, ऑब्जर्व कर ली, एंड बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग देम दे बिकम द फार्मर्स. देन same thing they have observed related to the animals. Now what things they have observed with the animals, their eating habits, उनके खाने की रहने की वगैरह आदतें उन्होंने जान ली, their breeding season ये सब उन्होंने जान लिया. And what they had started, they had tamed animals like sheep, goat, cattle, and they had started to protect them from attacks of other wild animals. उन्होंने क्या किया, शीप गोट कैटल्स जो थे उनको पालना शुरू किया और उनको जो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स थे उनसे प्रोटेक्ट करना शुरू किया, और इससे ही द डोमेस्टिकेशन प्रोसेस शुरू हो गई. ठीक है, फ्रॉम दिस ओनली द प्रोसेस ऑफ डोमेस्टिकेशन इट हैज स्टार्टेड. नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय डोमेस्टिकेशन? It is the name given to the process in which people grow plants and look after the animals. Domestication process मतलब क्या? लोग क्या करते हैं, प्लांट्स को ग्रो करते हैं, उनको संभालते हैं, और उसके साथ ही दे लुक आफ्टर द एनिमल्स आल्सो. जो एनिमल्स उन्होंने पाले हैं उनकी वो केयर करते हैं. दैट इज द डोमेस्टिकेशन प्रोसेस. नाउ द plants and the animals which are domesticated, these are very much different from the wild plants and the animals. वो ऐसे ही plants और ऐसे ही animals select करते थे जो अच्छे होते थे, जो gentle होते थे. Animals जो gentle होते थे, who can easily mix with the people, ऐसे ही animals select करते थे. Then the plants also they were selecting which gives the number of seeds, उनसे ज़्यादा grains मिलते हो, मोटे वाले साइज के ग्रेन्स मिलते हो. सो दे हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट ऑल द थिंग्स एंड दे हैव सिलेक्टेड द प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स फॉर द डोमेस्टिकेशन which are very much different from the plants and animals which are called as a wild plants and animals. Then after that they have started, they were on the way of new life. How? As we know that they become herders, they become farmers. Now they become farmers, they had started to grow plants. It means that they have to stay at a one place. Now once if we plant a seed, it not means that immediately we get the result from that. Okay, what we have to do, we have to take care of that plant. Okay, so to take this means to grow that plants, it takes some of the time, either it is of several days, weeks or months, and sometimes it takes years also. So when people began growing plants, it means that they had to stay in the same place for a long time looking after the plants. अगर उन्होंने plants शुरू किए हैं ग्रो करने, तो उनको क्या करना पड़ता था, एक जगह पे रुकना पड़ता था फॉर द टेकिंग केयर, फॉर लुकिंग आफ्टर दैट प्लांट्स, टू वाटरिंग देम, देन द वीडिंग प्रोसेस, ड्राइविंग अवे एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स, उनको एनिमल्स से बर्ड्स से उनको प्रोटेक्ट करना पड़ता था. टिल द ग्रेन राइपन, जब तक उनको ग्रेन राइपन ग्रेन्स उससे नहीं मिलते, टिल दैट दे हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस plants, and then the grain had to be used carefully. Now once they got a grain, it not means that anyhow they can use that grains. That grains also they have to use it very carefully. So how they were using the grains? So there are the different ways by which they were using the grains. As a seed, they were using these grains as a seed for the next year, then as a food, as they have started the plants and animals to use as a food, then as a gift. Sometimes they were giving such seeds or such grains as a gift to their relatives or friends or any other people, and stored for a food. Now storing of a food, storing of a grain, it is also very much important thing, and for that purpose they have used the different ways. They have made large clay pots, or they wove baskets or dug pits into the ground, and by using these ways they have stored grain for their further use. Then how the animals also called as a storehouse? Because as we know, animals that we rear, we can use it as a source of food. We get milk, and the produces milk produces also we can use, and it is a important source of a food. And sometimes wherever it is necessary, wherever it is required, we can use animals for a meat also. So animals that are reared can be used as a store of food. Animals हम food का storage भी ऐसे भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Now we have seen the people, they become farmers, herders, and day by day they are developing themselves. They are moving towards the settled life. Now they come to know that they have to live at one place. As they become a farmer, to take care of the plants, to take care of the animals, they have to live at the one place. Now they are moving towards the settled life, and such evidences archaeologists has got, that they tell us the people, they were living in the they were living a settled life. As archaeologists have found traces of huts or houses at some sites. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को क्या मिले हैं? ट्रेसेस मिले हैं, जो कि हट्स है, हाउसेस है, वहाँ पे लोग रहते थे. फॉर इंस्टेंस देर इज वन एग्जाम्पल इट हैज गिवन, that is in Burzahum. Now present day it is in a Kashmir. Which evidences or which traces archaeologist has found at that places? Now we will see. That is the peat houses. Okay, archaeologist has got the peat houses which were dug into the ground with the steps leading into them. Okay, जमीन के अंदर खोदे हुए उनको ये पीट हाउसेस मिले थे, और उसमें अंदर जाने के लिए उसमें क्या थे? स्टेप्स भी लगाए हुए थे. नाउ दिस मे हैव प्रोवाइडेड शेल्टर इन कोल्ड वेदर. ज़मीन के अंदर थे, इसका मतलब वो कोल्ड वेदर में क्या करते थे? शेल्टर प्रोवाइड करते थे. रेनी सीजन में अंदर उनको प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते थे. Then the another thing also archaeologist has found, these are the cooking huts. Now archaeologist has found these cooking huts both inside and outside the huts. The huts which has found to the archaeologist, उसके अंदर भी और बाहर भी इसके evidences archaeologist को मिले हैं cooking huts के. It means that however the season it changed according to the weather, it was depending on the weather, the people they were cooking either inside or the outside. जैसे वेदर रहता होगा, जैसे सीजन रहता होगा, वैसे लोग क्या करते थे? अंदर और बाहर दोनों तरफ कुकिंग करते थे. So as archaeologist has got such evidences. Then the next thing archaeologist has got, the tools they were using, and such tools nowadays also we use to grind the grains, that is mortar and pestles. Each and every home we can find this tool which comes from अर्लीस्ट पीपल. ओके, वो भी लोग यूज़ करते थे, और आज भी हम ये टूल्स आज भी हम क्या करते हैं? ग्राइंडिंग करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. देन द नेक्स्ट थिंग आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट हैज़ फाउंड, दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ अर्दन पॉट्स. उसमें से बहुत सारे डेकोरेटेड किए होते थे, कुछ प्लेन हुआ करते थे, सिंपल हुआ करते थे. Now for which purpose they were using? Maybe these pots they were using for storing the things. Okay, different kinds of things they can store, or for cooking food. Food भी cooking करने के लिए use करते होंगे, and specially grains like rice, wheat and lentils that now become an important part of the diet. For which purposes they were using these earthen pots? For storing the grains. or for cooking the food. Okay, so these material archaeologist has found at such places on the site, that is in Birza home, which tells us the people they were moving towards the settled life. Now we are going to take a closer look of the Mehergar, how the people they were living in the Mehergar and the dying in the Mehergar. There was also a different method that tells us the people they were following after the death of the people. Okay, so we are going to take a closer look of this. Now Mehergar, it comes at the northwest of the subcontinent. Okay, and already we have seen that at the Kirtar and Suleiman hills in first lesson we have studied that the people they have started firstly to grow barley and wheat at that places. So men and women they learned to grow barley and wheat, and it was the place where the sheep and goat it has reared first time. Okay, so this we have seen the reference, it comes from there. So the particular place we are going to see which comes in this area, that is the Mehergar. Now it is one of the earliest villages also, that also we have studied the reference, it comes from there. Now what archaeologist has found, आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को यहाँ पे क्या क्या मिला है, सी ऑल द मोस्टली आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट हैज फाउंड डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ एनिमल बोन्स, उनको यहाँ पे अलग अलग तरीके के एनिमल बोन्स यहाँ पे मिले हैं. नाउ एज द पीपल फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट इफ वी विल सी दे वेर द हंटर्स, ओके, देन दे बिकम द हर्डर्स. तो उसके हिसाब से ही आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को भी अलग अलग तरीके के एनिमल बोन्स यहाँ पे मिले हैं, जिसमें वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के भी है लाइक डियर, पिग, उसके बाद उनको शीप, गोट, कैटल, ऐसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप लेवल बाय लेवल उनको अलग अलग तरीके के बोन्स भी मिले हैं. उसके साथ ही उनको और क्या मिला है, देयर आर द रिमेन्स ऑफ स्क्वेयर और रेक्टेंगुलर houses. Okay, archaeologists also found their remains of square or rectangular houses. In the picture you can see the structure of the houses which was found in the Mehergar. Now each house had 4 or more compartments. यहाँ पे हर एक हाउस को 4 और more compartments दिखाई देते हैं, हम पिक्चर में भी यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. and some of which may have been used for storage. Now as people know the storage of the food, so maybe some of these compartments these were used for the storage of the grains or any kind of different kind of storage also. Not only they can store the grains but different things they can store. So these compartments, some of the compartments they were used for the storage also. Then the next thing archaeologist has found, it was very different. Okay, the burials which they found, it was very different. Now when people die, their relatives and friends generally pay respect to them. It is obvious that when anyone will die, the relatives, the friends, they pay respect to them, उनको respect pay करते हैं उनके relatives, उनके friends जो है. Then people look after them, perhaps in the belief that there is some form of life after the डेथ also. Now there was a belief in these people, लोगों में ऐसे बिलीफ था, ऐसे समझते थे लोग कि डेथ के बाद ही उनके डेथ के बाद भी वो अलग दुनिया में जाके रहते हैं. ओके, देयर इज also another life after the death and they enter in the another world. ये वर्ल्ड छोड़ के, ये दुनिया छोड़ के वो दूसरी दुनिया में चले जाते हैं. and they were taking so much care of that for their survival they were providing each and everything, they were buried each and everything with them because they should not be in trouble. उनको कुछ भी दूसरी दुनिया में जाने के बाद उनको कुछ भी परेशानी नहीं हो, इसके लिए वो क्या करते थे, खाने पीने की चीज़ें वगैरह उनके साथ वो दफन करते थे. So burial is one such arrangement. Okay, after the death what people they were believing, several burial sites have been found at Mehergar. In one instance the dead person was buried with goats which were probably meant to serve as food in the next world. Okay, as they were believing that from this world people enters, people goes to the another world after the death. So for their survival, what they were doing, they were burying, उनके साथ वो क्या करते थे, goats वगैरह भी उनके साथ वो दफन करते थे. They have buried the goats and such animals with them. Such evidences archaeologists has got these burials, some burial sites archaeologists has found. Here also you can see, we can see the skeleton of human also, and with that we can see the different skeleton of which are the animals. We can identify by that the skeletons are of animals. Okay, so it was the belief of the people, so according to that they were doing such thing. So it is a closer look how the people they were living in the Mehergarh, which evidences, which things archaeologists has found there, and the life after the death of the people in the Mehergarh. I hope you have liked this video. Then like it, share it and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. It means you will get the notification of every uploaded video. Thank you.